This is the rear wiper for my RAV4 2017. Every year I have to replace it because I buy the cheap wiper arm and the rubber, which is $10, but the quality is very bad. The OEM ones are over $20. So this year, instead of buying another wiper assembly like this, I decided to replace just the rubber strip. So I have an older wiper that I got from my Prius, which I no longer own, and this rubber is new, and I'm going to use this rubber on this arm here. And basically you just take apart the old wiper, take the strip out, and then cut it to size. So this is about 10 inches. And then there are two steel inserts that you put in, right? So one on each side to give it support. So you keep the old steel insert to this, and then you just replace the wiper with this good. So to remove the old rubber insert from your old wiper, just insert a screwdriver at one end and raise the insert so that it clears the end, and then you can pull the whole wiper strip out. So you take the new rubber refill and you put the reinforcing steel support on either side of the refill. So your new assembly looks like this now. And all you have to do is to insert it into your wiper holder. So now I insert the refill into the bracket as shown. When it comes to the end, I pull it up so that it is not flush with the bracket. I pull it up so I can insert the insert at the other end, right? You just pull it back, right? Now you can insert the other end, and then when you push that forward, right, to the stop there, and you would be done. Mine was like a 1/4 inch longer, the insert, so all I have to do is just cut off the excess rubber, and then it will be perfect. So now all you have to do is reinsert the wiper into the wiper arm, right? Just like as shown in the video. And then clip the cover back on and you're done.